Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to create a Rightmove account. Now guys, the first thing of course that you need to do is go to rightmove.co.uk to be here on this website. After that you can see that we have a lot of things going on here guys. So basically what we have is we can go here, click on buy, where you can go and see property for sale, new homes, etc. We have rent, where you can rent property and those things. We have house prices, where you can see house prices, of course. If you can click on find agent, commercial, inspire, we have overseas, where you can go and see some homes that are in all other countries, so basically not only in the UK. Also guys, we have of course the search bar. As you can see, believe in finding it, search the UK's largest choice of properties for sale and to rent, where you can go and type a address and go and click for sale or for rent, whichever you want. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a account on Rightmove. Well, first of all, you need to go and click on this button here, which is sign in or create an account. Click on it, then type in your email, then click continue, and then guys, put your information. So guys, basically just so you know, the information here that I'm putting is not real, it's fake, but it's just for the sake of this video. So now you put your put your stuff here, and then when you're satisfied with everything, you can click on sign in if you want, click create account, and guys, your account will be then created. You have to click on, as you can see, agree and continue, or no thanks and continue, basically whichever you want, basically. And then you can see that your account is not complete because you have to go and put your profile, but this is basically how you can create your account, and now you have to create your profile. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And as always guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.